So when Jesus gives you the projection system that you're trying to do, and you don't have it in Petrel, you are going to have to open the coordinate system manager. You need to type in your search bar coordinate system manager. This automatically gets downloaded with your Petrel. Then what I would recommend, so what I'm going to do is that I am aware that zone 54 is not in there, but I already did that and I can't do it again to show you. So I'm going to use another zone from very similar area, very close area. We don't have, Petrel does not have 49. So let's look for 49. So what I do to help me out is copy, paste, and search for this, just to make sure what I'm looking at. In this case, I'm looking at 49. You're going to find this website, espg.io. They are the guys that have the ESPG code. So now we have a code. This makes it a little bit easier. I'm going to copy and paste that. So you're going to go over here to Coordinate System Manager. Then you're going to go to Geodetic Catalog. Then you're going to click on Create New Conflation Policy. You are going to search for your code or name. So see, here we are. You're going to search for it here. So you're going to click on it here and here. And what I would recommend here is this is going to basically rename this and then add it to your Petrel folder where it looks at the actual coordinate systems. So that what I recommend is just you can name, I want to name this exactly the same, just so that I know what it is. So 1994 MGA zone 49. 49 in my case. Remember, you guys are doing the correct one, but I can't show you this since I already did it. And I'm going to put MB version. I have my cap locks turned on, so that made everything weird. I want to keep the same code because, again, I am not changing anything. This does allow you to transform one coordinate system into another, but because we're selecting exactly the same one, all we're doing is really just creating that in a way that our Petrel read it. When I copy and paste that description, again, this is exactly what it's doing, so I'm not doing anything out of the ordinary. So this error is because I'm not clicking both. You gotta click both, and then we get a different error. This time it's because it reads that this this code already exists. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put 2 because it exists, but it does not exist in our Petrel, so we can't even find it. So we just create our only numbers were used. So what I can do is just name it 1, 2, 3. You'll learn what the SPG code is. Now we just made our own coordinate reference system, and click OK, and it's gonna do its work. Cool. Created conflation policy 1, 2, 3 for GDA 1994 zone 49. So then what you're gonna do is open Petrel, and now when you search for the code 1, 2, 3 or just this name, your desired coordinate reference system will now be on Petrel for you to import. Thank you.